Hi everyone, I'm Sarah, the Digital Marketing Manager at Global Social Media Marketing. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to use Google Meets and some of the cool features that are on this tool. Be sure to keep watching this video to get the best experience and give it a like. Also, subscribe to our channel for more cool videos with tips and tricks. To join a Google Meets call, all you have to do is go to where the Google apps are and find this logo and click on it, and it will take you to Google Meets homepage. And any of the upcoming meetings you have will appear right here in the right hand section, and you can instantly join the meeting. Now, if you're looking to schedule a meeting, you have three options. You can create a meeting for later, you can start an instant meeting, or you can schedule a meeting in your Google Calendar. If you want to join the meeting through your Google Calendar, all you have to do is open up your Google Calendar and click on the invitation that was sent, and then click Join with Google Meets, and it'll take you to the page where you need to be. Once you're at this page, allow access to your camera and microphone. And here you can see yourself and you can see who is in the call. And whenever you're ready, just click Join Now and you can start your meeting. So once you join the meeting, you can see anyone who's currently in the meeting with their cameras on, and if their cameras aren't on, then their name will be displayed. And today we have Jonathan with us to show some of the cool features of Google Meets.
Hey guys.
And another way to see anyone who's in the meetings is by going up here in the upper right hand corner and clicking on this icon. And here you can see anyone who's currently in the call, and you can also add people to the call. You also have a group message so that everyone can send messages to each other throughout the meeting, and this is great for people who don't want to interrupt the main speaker. And then right here, you can have the option to create breakout rooms, create polls, or ask questions to get the audience engaged. Now, if you wanted to get any of the meeting information, all you'd have to do is go to the bottom left-hand section in the toolbar, and here you can copy the joining information, and you can also copy in the number for people to dial in directly through their phones. Any and all attachments that are included if it was a meeting that was scheduled through your Google Calendar will appear right here, and it's a great way to keep everything organized for the people in the meeting. Some other features of Google Meets is that you can mute your microphone, you can leave the call whenever you want, and you can turn your camera on and off. You can also raise your hand, and this indicates to the speaker that you might have a question, and you can turn captions on and off, and this is a great way to be able to follow with the conversation if you can't directly listen in. Another feature of Google Meets is having the ability to share your screen. All you have to do is click Present Now, you click your entire screen, allow access to your screen, and once you allow access to your screen, you will be able to present your screen. And a great tip for this is to ask everyone in the meeting if they can see your screen. Jonathan, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Perfect. And after you're done presenting, just click Stop Presenting. And if you go over to the More Options section, here you'll find Whiteboard, which is an open discussion board, and people can insert photos and you can mark up photos on this area. You can also change the layout of the meeting for future calls, and you can enter full screen right here. Another cool feature of Google Meets is that they have free backgrounds, and this is a great way to keep things fun during meetings and to make things interesting for everyone who's viewing. And Jonathan is showing us some of the cool backgrounds from Google Meets. Here you can also turn your captions on and off, and you can also use a phone for audio if you cannot be at a laptop. And those are all the cool features of Google Meets. It's a great way to stay virtually connected for businesses or schools, and I hope you guys learned a little something more about Google Meets. Bye guys. Also, make sure you guys subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up to see more videos about marketing tips and tricks.